Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Allie. Matt is actually getting ready to head on out to the garage here to do some work, and this is the Adventures of Mally. On this channel, we love sharing all of our adventures with you, but this vlog is going to be all about our new pontoon boat. So I'll get you up to speed. So for those of you that don't know, we recently bought a new pontoon boat this past summer, and I did a vlog on it, so I'll post the vlog somewhere up here. However, there have been some updates. Since the last time I did this vlog, Matt ended up finding a better deal or a better pontoon boat that he liked better on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. I actually don't remember where he bought it. So we actually have a new pontoon boat that I'm introducing you to today. We ended up selling the old one, so it ended up being a wash, so it's great. Matt does that, I wouldn't say a lot, but he does that where if he finds something that he likes, he sells the old one. So I'm actually introducing you to a better pontoon boat. So here it is. This is our new pontoon boat. One of the main reasons why Matt saw this one and this one appealed to him so much is because of the layout. If you don't remember from the old pontoon boat that I shared this past summer/fall, the center console here, the main console, was actually in the middle here. And he didn't really like that a whole lot. He wanted it more to the side. So he ended up finding this one. This one is actually a lot newer, but it still needed some work. So Matt has already gotten to work on some of the stuff. So one of the things that he has already started to work on were the chairs and the vinyl needing to be cleaned up. Just to recap, that older pontoon boat that I shared last time had a lot of mildew and stuff like that on the seats. Well, this was very much the same way. So we knew that we needed to clean up the seats. Now, I believe I took some video of what the seats looked like before, because I actually did not end up vlogging Matt cleaning the seats, but they actually turned out really, really well. So if I have a before video, I'll share it right now. Otherwise, I thought that they came out really, really well. So here they are, and this was just massively full of mildew. And now, I mean, look how white and clean that is. So it's really, really awesome. So this pontoon boat has, just like the old one, has the two seats up front, the fishing seats. And again, those seats were just full of mildew, and Matt really, really cleaned them up. If I remember, I'll post right here at the bottom what he used to clean them up. It was basically a special formula and a lot of elbow grease, Another difference is there are fishing seats in the back. So the old pontoon boat that I highlighted did not have the fishing seats in the back. So this does. Fishing seat in the back, and then this, I believe, is a live well. Yep, absolutely, it's a live well. So this was also another reason why Matt liked the layout for this one as well, because he wanted the fishing seats in the front and the back. I like it because here is the couch, but in the old one, the motor was like right up next to the couch, and it was actually kind of loud. So I actually like this because now there's like a little bit of a space here. So I really like that. And then Matt loves the console here. The seat is more like a captain's chair. He feels really important in it, and the fact that it's like off to the right is perfect. So one of the things that Matt is going to start doing, hopefully this weekend, if not in the next week, that I am more going to highlight is he is going to replace all the floor on the pontoon boat. So yesterday he ended up running down to Racine, which is southern Wisconsin, to grab boat vinyl. We ended up getting an awesome deal on it, and I will share it with you what it looks like. He poured over kind of different samples of what he wanted, finally chose one, ran down to Racine yesterday, grabbed it, and that's what he's gonna start working on. So as you can see here, hopefully, the floor is carpet. That's what a lot of boats are, and we don't want carpet. It's hard to keep it clean, like fish guts and blood and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you what Matt is going to replace it with. So here it is. I'm kind of in our back area of our basement. This is where we're storing it until Matt is ready to start installing it. But it's this vinyl. And he bought a huge roll of it, and then it has this really kind of pretty pattern in it, which we really liked because then it won't show a lot of the dirt and stuff like that. little short introduction to the new pontoon boat we got. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to highlight some of the work now that Matt has done. Either it's going to be in a separate vlog or it will be with this vlog. I'm not quite sure yet, but we'll just roll with it. So again, some of the things he needs to do: replace the flooring. He wants to actually also clean up the tunes, which is like the metal part. I'll post a video right here. So he wants to kind of sand down the tunes and make them all really super clean. So I'll highlight that as well. So thank you for joining me. I know this was like a super short vlog and kind of a crash course introduction to our pontoon boat. Hopefully I will have more vlogs coming soon of some of the work Matt is doing, but I just wanted to quick upload something to show you the progress and show you the new pontoon boat. So I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Don't forget to join our adventure family by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to check out my complimentary channel, Ohana Adventures, where I explore my love of all things Disney. Until the next time, remember, it's a beautiful world out there, so go out there and find your adventure. See you real soon. Bye.